大家好, everybody. Welcome back. We got a fantastic video lined up for you today. Today we're at the Zhongshan MRT area. This area is known as one of the coolest, trendiest areas in Taipei. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, it looks like we got here a little earlier. I was here yesterday about 3 o'clock and it was absolutely packed, but I had to come early because it's due to rain this afternoon. I just didn't realize the event hadn't started yet. So we'll keep filming, see what we can find around the surrounding area. So please stay with me and let's get started. Now, this area is definitely a mixture of old and new. At one time, it was more of an industrial area, and there used to be a train that ran right through the center of this park. But over the last 5-6 years, it's been revitalized, and it's definitely become, for the locals, the hub of youth culture, fashion, boutiques, and food. So let's keep going.
Different one. Then
now the trendiest part above ground is between the Zhongshan MRT heading north to the Shuanglian MRT station. And directly underneath is the MRT subway line along with the Zhongshan Metro Mall. Let's go. The park keeps continuing this way. One thing I can let you know for sure, there's definitely no shortage of heat. It is hot. Feels like it's 94 degrees. But I'm here for you guys. Let's keep going and see what we can find. At the Shuanglian station. One of the great things about this area is there's a tremendous amount of things to do. So besides the trendy area, we're going to continue along since it's still a good time to visit the morning market. Let's check it out. All right, I don't know the actual name of this local morning market, but it is definitely a locals only community market. Let's check it out.
三包200啊喽，3包200啊喽，要不要试试看？一包几包
Say hi. Oh, so cute. Ni hao, ni hao. Ball bun. Sticky rice. Hey, ni hao. It's burrito. How sure. Don't know the name of it. Try to figure that out during editing. This isn't your typical neighborhood shrine. Wenchang Dijun Temple is the patron of scholars, and in a culture that breeds academic pressure, this is a high-stakes room. Look closely at the offerings. Those bunches of scallions and celery. In Mandarin, they're synonyms for cleverness and hard work. This is a chain of one of my favorite specialty bubble teas. This is known as the brown sugar boba with whole milk style of bubble tea. Very, very good. All right, guys, let's go downstairs. It is so hot and cool off in the Zhongshan Metro Mall that I mentioned earlier. Let's go. Man, that AC feels wonderful. It was so hot upstairs. If you like the video so far, guys, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and share it with your friends. All right, here's the best maps. We started. Now, this is not unique to Taiwan. I know they're also in China. They're very popular in the MRT stations. But these are massage houses that specialize with blind or seeing impaired masseuses. Here's another one on there, and like I said, they're very inexpensive. Here's a full body massage, 1 hour, 700 NT. That's around $21, and there's no additional tip needed. This is a chain of inexpensive hair salons, sort of like Supercuts. That's around $12 for a haircut here. Crazy how one day makes a difference. Yesterday, I could not even walk through here. It was wall-to-wall people. It was incredibly packed. Today, not so much. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's keep going. must be popular.
你好，欢迎光临好吃的饭团哦。
All right, I pulled off. Let's go back upstairs, see if the pop-up event is starting to kick off. Let's go. Now, in addition to all the trendy shops and boutiques in the area, there also is a few very large mall chains here as well. We'll pass those on the way. All right, looks like the crowds are starting to roll in. It's near 1 p.m. Unfortunately, it's supposed to start raining around 2, so let's get started. Ni hao. I'm getting hungry. Hopefully that little food court area is fully up and running. Maybe I can get a quick snack. Let's go check it out. Hey, how? Chef. Ni hao.
海南地的美酒
Oh, plum wine.
，palm wine，yeah。brandy 的 palm wine。
I think this is going to be my lunch spot. I'll have to get in line. All right, as a non-speaking local, I'll have to use some AI to try to figure out what my options are. How sure. Cool, they got a few bar top tables. Let's enjoy my snack. All right, guys, let's try out our snack. It is traditional Taiwanese mountain pig sausage and pork belly. It smells delicious. Let's see if we can't get a closer shot here. Oh yeah, that looks like it's going to be good. Have your little traditional spearing sticks. Sausage, very, very good. You would say hao che in Chinese. I don't want to bore you with watching me eat my entire lunch, so we'll pick up once we're done. Ni hao. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the video of the Zhongshan area. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. Till next time, guys, 大家再见. See you all on the next video.